Are you frustrated with bottle conditioning, a mixed cultured fermentation, or a sour beer? Well, I recently asked that question to an expert home brewer. He's also the owner of one of the largest online homebrew shops. Now, he said this can be a tough one. Be sure to watch to the end to hear how kegs could be a safer way to carbonate mixed fermentation beers.
Anytime you're dealing with something that you're going to ferment and then do over a time and introduce bugs and build this huge complexity, it gets tough. And you now have a lot of microorganisms in your beer, and which one is competing and which one is winning, which one has more in there, that as sugar is introduced, what's it going to do with it? I honestly think forced carbonation and then bottling afterwards is going to be your ultimate answer.
It's a quandary because safety comes to mind. I always think about safety on the homebrew level because there's not as many guidelines. Bottle conditioning has its place potentially because this batch might not have been packaged yet. If you were to charge it and prime it with some sugar source and then allow it to just get the bump of carbonation when it's packaged, the safest way to do that would probably be on a keg level, because then you can vent off if it starts to become aggressively carbonating from the extra sugar boost. But that might get him where he needs to be.
Now, this was part of a longer event series on how much fun home brewing can really be. It was full of clips of various home brewery setups, and I'll put a link to it up here in the cards and in the description. Please also consider giving this video a like and help keep us on the air through Patreon support. Also, please share with me your top takeaway down in the comments below.